Today I'm doing a quick review of this CraftersMark wireless picture light. It is rechargeable. It comes with this remote control and you will need a charging block, but this is your charger. The idea is to illuminate pictures and art on the wall. Here is everything that comes in the box, complete with your instructions here. You'll need a charging block, but you can see that it is rechargeable and it's supposed to last for a minimum of 10 hours at full charge on the highest illumination setting. Here's the light itself with your hook wall mount, and this is magnetic. Attaches right in here just like that and connects here, so you have some mobility, and it's a very strong magnet, you can see here. And here's your wall mount screws and your remote control, and you do have to remove this little tab right here so that it will work. And you can see it turns on out of the box, but we're going to go ahead and charge it fully. You've got your dimming settings here. I really like that once it's on the wall, you can just take it apart like this and then go and charge it wherever you want to charge it, as opposed to just trying to charge it while it's up on the wall. One cool thing is that once it's turned on, you can set it for 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours to actually shut off on its own. It blinks once to know that you've made the change that you want to make. Let's go ahead and set this thing up and see how good it works. So to hang your lamp, first you'll want to mark where you're going to drill 2 holes on a line that's horizontal to the ceiling. That's a little bit above where you want your art or picture to be lit up, and approximately 2 3/8 inches apart is where you're going to drill your holes, but you can use your lamp to see exactly where those holes need to be drilled. And the next thing is you're going to want a drill bit that is approximately the same width as your drywall screw mount, just like that. And so we'll go ahead and drill those 2 holes. Next, you'll very gently hammer your drywall screw mounts into the wall, just gently, just like that. The other one too. Now you'll need either a Phillips screwdriver head or a screw gun Phillips head and your mount, and just gently screw your screw in. And just get it nice and snug. Don't over screw it in. If it helps you to use a screwdriver so you don't over tighten it, that could be a good idea for you. And now that you've got it in there nice and snug, you can go ahead and put your lamp on it. That part is nice and easy. Now you can move it around, swivel it just like you want it to be. And now we're ready to try it with our different light settings on it to see what we like the best. Here we have the different light modes I'm going to show you. This is normal white. This is cold white. So we're going to go back to the warm white. And then you can go up and down with your intensity. So there's the lowest and then back up to the highest. And I did test out the 2-hour timer and it worked. So for example, if I press 2 hours, it flashes and then it should stay on for 2 hours and turn off automatically. I haven't tested the 4 hours or 8 hours, but I'm pretty impressed with how things look. Okay, so this is the person who actually wanted this picture light. So why don't you tell us what you think about this light?
I like the light. It has different softness, yellow light, white light, and maybe a dimming light or something like that. I like it that I can use a remote control from a distance. I wanted to keep it charged all the time, so I usually have a charger hanging down. So that's my only issue. I don't like to take it off. You can take it off and charge it, but I just don't like to do that. So I wanted to have it connected, but if you don't mind to take it off and charge it every time, then you will like it. That's the only thing I don't like about it, because my last one light could charge from the wall. So it's a good light.
Okay, so you can charge it from the wall, but...
Well, when I charge it from the wall, when I'm charging from the light here, when I charge from the wall, it always changes the position of the light. So it's kind of pulls on it a little bit. So I don't like that part, but I probably shouldn't even charge it from the wall. So the thing is that if you take it off and charge it, that's cool. It keeps the charge pretty good. I like the light quality. It looks pretty. That's why I ordered this one. So this is exactly what I wanted and I like it.
So I hope you liked my review of this CraftersMark rechargeable wireless picture light. If you did like this review, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. If you want to help support this channel, please use the links in the description or scan the QR code in this video to purchase. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. She's the one to blame, try to break me down, but all she did was spark a legend in the making. Always had the heart.